So when you got to understand that you're dealing with a person like we're talking right here, but I know that there is somebody watching this who's sitting, somewhere in the world who's going through a tough time. Maybe they had a physical situation, they had a health situation, they had a job situation. So I never lose focus, Nick, that I'm not talking to a screen. I'm talking to a human being sitting somewhere in the world, probably with their little boy or little girl on their lap. And that's what I want people to really understand. When I do like a podcast or something, or when I'm talking about a company or I'm talking to a person, man. These are people with feelings. These are people that, I believe a lot of people have their hope tank on E. And if you will simply just approach people with, I'm here to fill up people's hope tank and give them some, paint a brighter future for them and help them and serve them and uplift them, you should have no problem connecting with people.